I'm here live at Krispy Kreme and look at all the conversation heart donuts. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try them. I just like the colors, the pastels. Oh yeah. Can't believe I'm about to get these right here. All of these guys right here. Let me just do 4. Yeah, just do 4, that's fine. I guess I could do a half dozen. I'll do a half dozen. So as you just saw right there at the beginning of the video, I was at Krispy Kreme and I got the brand new conversation hearts. What better way to start a conversation than with a Krispy Kreme conversation hearts? And as you saw there too, you can pick different phrases that you wanted to say. The normal little phrases that you would see on conversation hearts, which I hear they're not actually making this year, 2019, Valentine's Day. They're like, you know what? I'm sorry, we're not making conversation hearts. You're gonna have to figure out how to talk to your Valentine all on your own. But Krispy Kreme said, hold up, we'll help you out. Now through February the 14th, you can get conversation heart donuts. And you can get them in cake batter, raspberry and cream, chocolate batter, strawberries and cream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off a corner of these and I'm gonna taste it. And by the way, these little words on here, according to them at Krispy Kreme, these are edible. So I'm gonna eat some of that too. Why not? So let me do the cake batter one first. This one says, call me, beat me if you wanna reach me. Wow. Let's go ahead and taste this here. And I've cut it right down the middle, or right down the corner there, and you can see the cake batter on the inside. This is where they insert it, is on a corner, which is a smart idea. In one corner of your heart, all the love comes in. And guess what? It never, ever goes out.
Aww.
Creamy. Melts in your mouth. But tastes just like a regular basic donut. I'm gonna taste just a little of the cream here. Yeah, it's creamy. Cake batter. Tastes like cake icing. That is good. Call me. Let me try something here. Oh yeah, you can definitely eat the phrase on here. So next, I'm gonna go with chocolate. So extra, right? Is that a phrase you say all the time? Because it's not one that I say all the time. So extra, y'all. Somebody's just being extra.
You are literally so extra.
Here we go. Tastes like a good chocolate donut. That's good too. I actually like the cake batter better than the chocolate. So far, cake batter is winning. Next, just say yes. Yes, yes. Yes, you will buy me a quarter pounder with cheese. Yes, you will take me to the movies. Yes, to the Super Bowl tickets. Okay, so let's cut this one. This is raspberries and cream, everyone. I'm gonna cut it on the other side, just for kicks. See what it looks like on the inside. And there's actually not as much jelly in this one, so I'm gonna dig a little out here. There it is. I'm gonna put it on the donut. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. See?
Showstopper, why the lean?
Wow, that's good. I'll say yes to that one. That's even better. I like that. If you like a raspberry jelly filled donut, go to this one. If they say, do you want this one? Just say yes. And probably gonna be my all-time favorite of these 4 is the strawberries and cream. I'm a huge fan of strawberry donuts. It's about my favorite flavor of all time favorite flavors. And I'm gonna cut this one here. And this one has not the jelly, but it's got the cream in it. Now picturing like those strawberry little Debbie cakes, something like that. It smells just like a little Debbie cake. Oh, that smells good. That's that artificial strawberry all up in your nose. Let's taste it. That's good. You don't have to say pick me. I will do it. That is good. I'm a little sad that they're not having the Conversation Hearts little candy But you made up for it, Krispy Kreme, because now I'm just a little bit happier. I will definitely pick that one out of all those. Those are good. So if you're wanting to get out and try them, guys, you got 2 weeks. You got 2 weeks to get out and try these. They were all over there. I asked them. They said, yes, people have been coming in all day and getting these. They were surprised. But my goodness, they look really cool. They're very Valentine's festive kind of donut. You can eat the whole thing. It has 1 billion calories, but so what? It's Valentine's Day. Enjoy. So I recommend getting out and trying those at your local Krispy Kreme. Like I said, you only have 2 weeks. If you don't already, follow me on my Instagram page. I appreciate it. It's good stuff going on. I'll post pictures of what I've eaten, and you can kind of follow me there. You can message me. You can contact me if you want me to do any kind of review, if you want to send me something, any of that good stuff. You can do it right there on Instagram. Thanks for watching the Showstopper Shows. If this video is something that you liked, give it a thumbs up, because then me and the donuts will be happy. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you always. Put a bow on this show, because that's a wrap. Jelly. That's good. Show stops here. Never quit, y'all. I gotta pace myself on these. I got them earlier, by the way, and I set them in my car because it's cold outside, so they're a little chilled. I like it.
We ain't never gonna quit. We ain't never gonna quit it, boy.